For centuries, shamanism has been one of humanity's most ancient spiritual paths. Long before modern religion, before written history, humans looked to something unseen, something they could feel but could not explain. But who is a shaman? A shaman is not just a healer, not just a spiritual figure. They are a bridge between the physical world and something we cannot see. But being a bridge comes at a cost, because to walk between worlds means you never fully belong to one. Shamans walk between worlds. They communicate with spirits, interpret signs, and guide people through illness, confusion, and transformation. But not everyone could become a shaman. In many traditions, it was not a choice. It was something you were called into, sometimes through dreams, sometimes through illness, and sometimes through experiences that felt like breaking apart. Because before a shaman could guide others, they first had to lose themselves. At the center of all of this are rituals. Rituals are not random actions. Every movement, every sound has meaning. Nothing is accidental. The steady rhythm of a drum, the repetition of a chant, and the use of symbols guide the mind into a different state, a state where healing becomes possible. In these moments, the shaman enters what we might call a trance. But this is not escape. It is a journey inward and beyond. Through these journeys, shamans seek answers. They look for lost balance, hidden causes of suffering, and ways to restore harmony. And this harmony is not just personal, it is also about nature. Shamanism teaches that everything is connected, not above nature, but within it. Not separate, but part of it. Every breath, every sound, every living thing is connected. But what about today? It was about experience. In many cultures, people didn't simply listen to shamans, they participated. Through rituals, through rhythm, through repetition, they entered altered states of consciousness, states where the boundary between the self and everything else began to disappear. And in those moments, people didn't just understand connection, they felt it. This is what made shamanism powerful. Not ideas, not theories, but direct experience. And maybe that is what makes it so different from the modern world. Because today, we are surrounded by information, but rarely by experience. We know more than ever before, but we feel less. And that might be why practices like this still feel so meaningful. In the modern world, we may not call them shamans, but the need they fulfilled still exists. We see it in mindfulness practices, meditation, and the search for purpose. And maybe that's why, in moments of uncertainty, people still search for something beyond logic, not because it is proven, but because it feels true. The form has changed, but the need is the same. So, in a world that is constantly evolving, what might your inner shaman be trying to tell you today? If this made you think, there's more to explore. Some answers aren't found, only felt. Consider subscribing.